What is the art of newsletters? Are newsletters even worth doing today? Hi, this is Mark Hale, and in today's video we're going to talk about techniques for maximizing response from newsletters. Hello America, this is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing USA's Marketing Tip of the Day. Newsletters, probably 15 years ago, used to be a lot bigger than they are today. A lot of people did newsletters. Email came around. Now everybody's got the idea that they want to email their newsletter and they think that's putting out a newsletter. Well, the average person today is getting 250 to 300 spam emails a day, and I'm sorry, the majority of the people on your email list are not reading your emailed newsletter. It just ain't happening. I think if you have a house list, your normal open rates for emails are going to be anywhere from 7 to 12%. So that means, 88% of your people are not being exposed to your content, not seeing your newsletter. So a printed newsletter is still the best way to go. Now that presents a couple of hurdles, like how do you get the content? How do you put it together? You don't have hours and hours and hours. You're a small business, you're running lean and mean, you're trying to deliver products and service. You don't have time to put together a newsletter. Well, that's why you call guys like me and companies like me. We can help you do that. We have content that we can pull from various sources. We have copywriters that can write content for you, and we can put your newsletter together and make it look very professional. These are just a couple of examples. I'm going to show you some examples. This is for an automotive place that we did. It's a very nice, slick newsletter. In the newsletter, there's, tips on cartoons, there's quizzes, trivia quizzes, there's travel tips. There's a little article that was written by the automotive shop owner on getting ready for, certain types of things you need to do. On the back, there's a recipe. We provide all this stuff and pull all this stuff together for the client. This is for a folding shutter, company, and they mail this out. They actually use this as a lead gen piece to mail out in an area around that they're targeting to sell storm windows and storm doors as well. But it's a very nice piece. These are not very expensive to produce. They're very affordable. It's full color. It's professionally done. It puts a good light on your company, and it, inspires people to sit down and read it and get actually a little more familiar with your company and a little better impression of your company. And I'm not saying that you have a bad impression. I'm just saying impression and reputation is something you work on all the time. And newsletters are just one tool in your business arsenal that you can use, or your marketing arsenal, to retain customers and get more new customers and more business. So I hope this video content has helped you. I hope you've got an idea from it. If you need help coming up with a newsletter, please feel free to give us a call. If you like this content, please hit like below. And if you have a comment, please write your comment below. If you'd like a topic or something that you would like to see covered or more information on, please make the comment. And above all, please subscribe to the channel. You'll be alerted to upcoming videos and new content, and you'll never miss out. And the goal of these videos is to actually help you expand your business into this huge worldwide conglomerate of businesses, and it all starts with the basis of marketing. Have a great day.